Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Groton, Vice President of Nutrition Education. Welcome back to the Herbalife Nutrition Education program. In the first lesson of this module, you got an in-depth overview of vitamins and minerals. During this lesson, we'll take a closer look at vitamins in food. You might be wondering, if vitamins are in food, why would you need supplements? Because with the busy lives we all lead, we don't always eat ideally, meaning we don't have time to prepare and eat fresh, vitamin-rich foods for every meal. However, supplements alone can't make up for a bad diet. You still have to work foods with vitamins into your meals. Another important thing to know, certain vitamins must be replenished in the body daily because the human body cannot store them for very long. Let's discover more. Welcome back to the Herbalife Nutrition Education program. In this lesson, you will learn about vitamins in food. Let's get started. Last time, we learned that there are vitamins in foods and in multivitamin, multimineral supplements. But if they are in food, why do you need supplements? Let's find out. Let's face it. Who has the time to do all the grocery shopping and cooking needed to have a perfectly healthy, balanced diet that includes all the recommended amounts of vitamin and mineral intake on a daily basis? With today's demanding, hectic lifestyles, it's very unlikely that we can make that ideal diet an actuality for ourselves and our families. So it's time to get real. That is where supplements start playing an important role in your health. Did you know that 1/3 of meals in the United States are eaten in the car? This shouldn't be surprising. We are known as a commuter culture, or a car culture after all. And these meals in the car aren't doing any good for any of us. Why is that? They are often fast foods that don't have all or even most of the nutrients you need. Instead of nourishment, you get excess calories from added fat and sugar. They are disastrous to our health. Some people might have the misperception that as long as you take a multivitamin every day, you're being healthy, no matter what you eat. This simply isn't true. You can't make up for a fast food diet with vitamins and minerals. Instead, you need to get serious about truly eating healthy by adding vitamin and mineral-rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet as you get rid of the fast food. So you should eat a healthy diet. Also, take vitamins and mineral supplements in the proper amounts every day. Remember that vitamins are substances essential to life, and you can't make them in your body. You must get them from food and, if needed, from supplements. Did you know? While 50% of Americans say they take a daily multivitamin, only 35% take them every day. So it's always a good idea to have your vitamins handy, whether that means putting them in a daily pill organizer or simply leaving your bottle of vitamins in a place you can't miss every day. Find what works for you and take those vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are stored in your body, mostly in your fatty tissues and in your liver. They dissolve in fat, but not in water. Your body can store these vitamins, but you should still consume them regularly. Water-soluble vitamins, on the other hand, can't really be stored in your body for very long. Therefore, you need to get a supply every day. B vitamins and vitamin C belong to this group. These vitamins are also easily destroyed or lost during food storage and preparation. Did you know that it was common knowledge in ancient Egypt that eating liver would improve night vision? Thousands of years later, night blindness was found to be due to deficiencies of vitamin A, which is prevalent in liver. Vitamin A, also called retinol, has many functions in the body. It plays an important role in helping your eyes adjust to light and supports bone growth, tooth development, reproduction, and cell functions. This vitamin can be found in a variety of foods, but especially in dairy, fish, and liver. Or it can also be obtained through beta-carotenes found in orange fruits and vegetables, which in the body are converted into vitamin A. Did you know that in 1905, polished rice was found to be the cause of a condition called beriberi, which could be reversed by consuming unpolished rice? It was discovered that the remedy, the outer coat of the rice, contained something essential to life, later found to be B vitamins. This just proves the efficacy and the power of B vitamins in healing our bodies and helping them thrive. There are 8 B vitamins. Collectively, they are known as B-complex vitamins. B vitamins perform an amazing number of functions to keep the body healthy and functioning at its prime, such as help your cells grow and reproduce properly, send messages back and forth from your brain along your nerves, help to produce energy by breaking down the foods you eat into fuel your body can use. How do you include the B-complex vitamins in your diet? By eating a variety of foods. Luckily, the B family is abundant in many foods. In fact, most foods contain one or more B vitamins. For example, avocados, eggs, oranges, bananas, whole grains, nuts and legumes, fish, poultry, dairy, beef. In short, a balanced, healthy, and varied diet will assure that you get the benefits of these essential nutrients. You need vitamin E for one big reason: free radicals. This vitamin protects your cell membranes against damage from free radicals. The best dietary sources of vitamin E are nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. But there is also a little vitamin E found in plant foods, such as asparagus, mango, and avocado. Did you know that to get vitamin D, you don't even need to eat? Just go outside. This vitamin is made when the sun shines on your skin, and the ultraviolet light makes a type of cholesterol that turns into vitamin D. However, nowadays more people are wearing sunscreen or working indoors, so they don't make enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for bone health. The human body needs vitamin D to absorb calcium. This is why many calcium supplements have vitamin D added to their formula to ensure proper absorption of calcium. Calcium promotes stronger bones and teeth and helps all your muscles to contract, including the heart muscle. However, people usually don't get enough vitamin D. There aren't many foods that naturally have it. Some fish have vitamin D, as do foods such as milk, which are fortified with it. Did you know that humans and guinea pigs are among the few animals that don't make vitamin C? We lost the genes that make vitamin C because the ancient human diet was rich in this vitamin, so there was no need for the body to make it. Unfortunately, the modern diet contains less foods containing vitamin C, and supplements are recommended. Vitamin C is a vital nutrient, and it's needed for almost everything in the body. It helps more than 300 different functions of your body, including your immune system. Other areas that vitamin C helps are connective tissue, blood vessels, and bones. And we already know that vitamin C is recommended when you're sick with a cold or flu. There is some vitamin C in just about every fruit, especially citrus fruits, and green vegetables, so make sure to include them in your diet. Did you know that in 1750, citrus fruits were found to reverse a condition called scurvy, which was killing British sailors on the high seas? The condition scurvy would debilitate the sailors with many horrible effects, including nausea, facial bloating, tumors on the skin, weakness, and the loss of hair and teeth. It was devastating. By 1800, citrus fruits were required to be carried aboard ships to prevent it. Many years later, it was documented that vitamin C found in citrus fruits prevented scurvy. British sailors used lime juice to prevent scurvy. Eventually, the sailors became referred to as limeys. Vitamin K is essential to support normal blood clotting. To get your vitamin K, we recommend, once again, a healthy, balanced diet full of vegetables, which are great sources of vitamin K. Did you know that the naming of vitamins began with simply assigning the next available letter of the English alphabet as a new vitamin was identified? There is, however, one exception. Vitamin K is named after the certain word coagulation because the main function of this vitamin is blood clotting. As years passed, some vitamins were excluded from this alphabetical group and were no longer considered vitamins. This explains why there are so many letters missing in the vitamin alphabet. Good work! You've completed another lesson in the Herbalife Nutrition Education program. In the next lesson, we'll learn about the essential minerals. See you at the next meeting.